Hi, today I am going to discuss about keyboard of computer. In the previous video, I have already discussed about the four main parts of computer system and you have seen that keyboard is one of the main part, isn't it? So, in this video, I will discuss about the functions of some important keys which is present on the keyboard. So, first I will discuss about what is a keyboard. Now, keyboard is a device that consists of a number of buttons called keys. So, can you tell me how many number of keys are there on a keyboard? Total 104 keys. Now, the keyboard which is shown here is known as QWERTY keyboard, and the reason behind this is the first top left alphabet keys are Q, W, E, R, T and Y. Okay, now let me discuss about alphabet keys. So what is the function of alphabet keys? Alphabet keys are used to type words and sentences. Okay, so how many alphabet keys are there? Total 26 alphabet keys are present on our keyboard. Now if you see this picture once again, you will find that these alphabet keys are present in this 3 rows. In this 3 rows, that is this row, this and this one. So this portion of the keyboard contains the alphabet keys. Next I will discuss about number keys. So what is the function of number keys? Number keys are used for typing numbers and these keys are also called numeric keys. Now can you tell me how many number keys are present on a keyboard? Total 10 number keys from 0 to 9. Now if you see this picture once again, you will find that this number keys are present in this portion of the keyboard, and number keys are also present at the right hand corner of the keyboard, that is this portion, and this portion of the keyboard is known as numeric keypad. Okay, and if you want to switch on this numeric keypad, simply you have to press this num lock button, and when you press this num lock button, this num lock light will be turned on, and then you can use any keys on the numeric keypad. Now I will discuss about arrow keys. Now arrow keys are also called cursor control keys. Why are they called so? Because they are used to control the cursor, or they are used for the movement of the cursor in the 4 direction, that is up, down, left and right. Now let me show you the picture once again. You will find that this cursor control keys or the arrow keys are present in this portion of the keyboard. This is up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow. Okay, now I will discuss about the next topic, that is caps lock key. Now this caps lock key function is used to type capital letters, means they are mainly used to type capital letters. And where is the location of this caps lock key? Caps lock key is present in this portion of the keyboard, and if you want to turn on this caps lock light, simply you have to press this caps lock button, and if you want to turn this off, you have to press this caps lock button again, and then you will see this caps lock light will be turned off. Now I will discuss about spacebar key. So which is the longest key on keyboard? Definitely the spacebar key. Now what is the function of spacebar key then? It is used to insert a blank space between 2 characters. Let me show you this picture once again in order to show you where is the location of spacebar key. Now this is the location of our spacebar key. Next I will discuss about enter key. Now what is the function of enter key? Mainly it is pressed to move the cursor to the next line. Now tell me how many enter keys are there on our keyboard? Total 2 enter keys. Now again let me show you the position of this enter key in our diagram. Here this enter key is present, and enter key is also present in this corner of the numeric keypad. Now I will discuss about backspace key. Now, the main function of backspace key is to erase the letter on the left side of the cursor, and this is the location of backspace key. Now, can you tell me which key is used to erase a letter on the right side of the cursor? Yes, delete key. Delete key is used to erase a letter on the right side of the cursor, and this is the position of delete key. So this is the main difference between backspace key and delete key. The main difference is that backspace key is used to erase a letter on the left side of the cursor, and delete key is used to erase something on the right side of the cursor. Now I will discuss about shift key. Now, what is the main function of shift key? Shift key is used to type capital letters and symbol on the top of the key. So, how many shift keys are there? All total 2 shift keys. And if you press shift plus alphabet key, then it will be turned into capital letter. And if you press shift and number key or punctuation key, then whatever symbol is present on the upper half of the key, that will be printed. Now let me show you the picture once again so that you get a clear idea about all this. Now in this portion of the keyboard you will find shift key, and also in this portion. Okay, now have you noticed that there are some keys on the keyboard which contains 2 characters? For example, consider this key containing number 1 on the lower half and exclamation mark on the upper half. So how to use this key? For typing 1, we have to press this button. But for typing exclamation mark, we have to press shift along with this button. So what conclusion do we get from this? If we want to type anything which is on the lower half of the key, we have to press the button only once. But if we want to type something which is on the upper half of the key, we have to press shift along with this button. Clear? Now I will discuss about function keys. Now can you tell me how many function keys are there on a keyboard? There are all total 12 function keys from F1 to F12, and this is the location of our function keys. Okay, and they are used to do different tasks. Now I will discuss about CTRL and ALT keys. Now what is the full form of CTRL? CTRL means control keys and ALT means alternate keys. So how many control keys and alternate keys are present on our keyboard? There are 2 control keys and 2 alternate keys on our keyboard, and these keys are used along with other keys to do different tasks. Now let me show you the location of this control and alternate keys. Here control keys are present and alternate keys are present in this portion of the keyboard. Next I will discuss about tab key. Now what is the function of tab key? It is used to give several spaces at a time. Now let me show you the location of tab key. Now this tab key is present in this portion of the keyboard. Can you see? Okay, now I will discuss about symbol keys. Now many keys on the keyboard are marked with symbols on the top. I hope you have already seen while I was explaining the shift key. These symbol keys can be typed using the shift key. Some of the symbol keys contain punctuation marks like exclamation, then we have dash and hyphen, colon, semicolon keys, quotation mark, apostrophe key, comma key, full stop key, question mark key, etc. Now most of the punctuation keys have 2 symbols or marks on them. So let me discuss some punctuation key one by one. So this key containing number 1. Can you see this key? Here exclamation key is also present on the upper half of the button. Now if you see button number 9 and 0, here you will find bracket keys, that is first bracket or rounded bracket simply we say. Now just beside this number 9 and 0 you will find dash and hyphen key. Now if we come to the second row, then you will find the square bracket and this braces key are present. That is our second bracket and third bracket is present. Now if we come to the next row, we will find that this colon and semicolon keys are present. So this is known as colon and semicolon key. Just beside this colon and semicolon key, we just see that apostrophe key and this quotation mark key is present. Again, if we come to the next row, we will find that this comma key is present. Just beside comma key, full stop key is present, and just beside full stop key, question mark key is present. Clear? So this is all about the punctuation mark key. Next, before ending the video, I want to give you some tips about using keyboard. We should keep our wrists straight while typing, and they should move freely above the keyboard, and while typing we should type with both hands. So this is all about keyboard. Thank you very much. Hope you like the video.